everyone. I wanted to talk a little bit about our chapters for this week and go over some fundamental concepts on positive and negative punishment. So let's go back to our board that we've been looking at in the previous time. Now this, as you guys can see, is our three-term contingency, right? So let me scoot over here so we can see it together. So the three-term contingency, we have the before, the behavior, and the after. Okay, the before, the behavior, and the after. Now remember, the before and the after are related to each other. Okay, so when we are looking at something like positive punishment, we are adding an aversive stimulus in order to reduce the behavior. Okay, so whenever we see a behavior reducing, one thing we can think of is that behavior is being punished. So let's give an example of this, keeping in mind our three-term contingency. So we have no pain, okay, right? The child throws rock at hornet's nest, okay? Okay, the child throws a rock at a hornet's nest, releasing the hornets. The hornets come right at the child, and we've got pain. So now think about this, right? No pain, no aversive stimulus, a behavior where the result, the after, the consequence is pain. So now the child is less likely to throw rocks at a hornet's nest. Why? Because they have been punished. What type of punishment? Positive punishment. Now, I would really like you to look at the section on pages 56 and 57 of the book on bruxism, okay, to look at an example of ice cube right on the cheek that has been reducing particular behavior of teeth grinding. So let me show you how this works right here, okay? So with bruxism, okay, bruxism, as you guys know, is teeth grinding, okay? If you'll read on 56 and 57, this is what it's going to look like. No ice on cheek, okay? Grind teeth, right? So what happens here? Right? What happens here? When she grinds her teeth, she gets the ice on the cheek. That aversive stimulus, okay, that follows, that consequence that follows grinding teeth that makes her say, you know what? I don't want to behave this way anymore. Okay? So positive punishments where we add an aversive stimulus to reduce the behavior. And you'll see that here in that after or the consequences section. Now you're also going to see negative punishment. Okay? So negative means that we're removing. Okay? So we're going to be removing. So negative punishment means that we're going to remove a reinforcer in order to reduce the behavior. Okay, we're going to remove a reinforcer, okay? So keep in mind over here that they're going to possess it or have the potential to possess it. So we've got money, okay? You speed and get caught by the police. What are we going to remove? Okay, we are going to remove a reinforcer of money. Okay, so we're going to remove a reinforcer. So now you think to yourself, gosh, when I speed, the consequences I have money removed, so I'm going to go ahead and stop speeding. Okay? So let me give you an example as a professor. Okay? Okay? So I've got students who are smiling at me. Okay? I like smiling. Okay? I walk to left side. Okay, I'm going to walk to the left side of the classroom. I get no smiles. No smiles at all. No one wants to smile at me when I'm shifting to the left side of the classroom. So what's happened? I'm having something removed that I value. It's removing a reinforcer. Right? What's my reinforcer that I want? I want all those smiles. So I'm going to stop walking to the left side of the classroom, okay, because I've been punished. So you can think of negative punishment, right, as we're going to remove a reinforcer to reduce a particular behavior. Okay? So those are our 4 fundamental concepts I need you to understand early on in our time together here in ABA. Positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, positive punishment, negative punishment. So make sure you get those 4 concepts clear in your head as the base of our understanding for not just now, but also for our more elaborate, our more complicated concepts in the near future.